Friday, November 4th, 2022. How's it going, guys? Well, I went up to the casino tonight. Probably not a good idea the way it was rated. And it's still rated. It's about 9:38 here. And when I got up here in I-70, where I-70 you go 435 north, on that ramp, for some reason, I don't know if they've done something over there or something, but it's flooded now. It's almost like a lake. It looked like it was almost a foot deep. And this one truck had actually spun around and went over the embankment. And there was another vehicle that almost tried to go around me. I mean, oh my. Not good, guys. I mean, it's not good to try to go through a foot of water and hit it at 55, 65, or 70 miles an hour, for one thing. But like I say, you can hydroplane in less quarter of an inch of water. Less than that, really. But let's take a look at this real quick, guys. So this is the ramp from 70 to 435 north. And you see those lights flashing up there. And to get up here, I want you to see that. You can see it looks like it's a lake. And it's covering over at least a good half to maybe 2/3 of the road. And instead of people trying to get over all the way in like the left lane, which would be considered kind of like the passing lane here. I don't know what it'd be on the ramp, but I mean, there's only 2 lanes there. They were going right on trying to hit that. And you can see that water where that one vehicle is going through had to be a foot deep. Man, they need to check that out. I don't know why that water would be standing. I've never seen that before. I mean, I've been up there many times when it's rained in the daytime, and I've never seen it flood like over here. But you can see it's like a lake, and it's all the way over, halfway across the road here. Now, I don't know if I caught that truck. You can see, well, you can see that. You can see the pole right there. Look at that. You can see the pole, and you can see how deep that is. And this car tried to go around me and hit that, and it just ended up at a dead stop. I don't know if it flooded out or whatever on my right side. To try to run through water like that is insane, guys. Not a good idea. But as you can see off to the left here, on the left lane, it's not very deep. You know, there's a crown of the road there. They put a crown in the road so the water will run off the road. That's why, like, you know, on your cars, your tow in and tow out, and all the rest there, that's why they do what they do so the tires don't wear. But anyway, getting on with this. This was not good. We got a truck up here. See, there's a vehicle right there. Watch this, guys. Here's a car. Here's one trying to pass me. Look, hits that right on. Look at that. And then it just stops. I don't know if it stopped because of the truck or stopped because it flooded out. And then let's see if I can go back just a hair, guys. I don't think you can see the other truck. That's not the truck. It's at the edge. There's a truck over the embankment. I mean, way on down. Nope, can't see it, guys. Anyway, hold on. I want you to see this one more time. Not smart, guys. Watch this. Watch this vehicle on the right side of me. Bam! And that was it. And it didn't go on around. It never went on around behind me after that. So I don't know what happened. Not good. Pretty treacherous out there tonight, guys. But I never seen the water stand there, especially on that ramp. That's just weird. Like, I don't know if they blocked something or somebody filled something in, but they definitely need to check that out. Because I've never seen it flood like a lake over there before. Now, hold on. I had one other thing I want to show you guys. Okay, guys, I'm back. Now I'm back on 23rd Street. You know, down by that pawn shop where I told you, you know, those gals were doing prostitution? Well, right here, there's about, it looked like, I mean, the rain was pretty heavy. I know there was at least 2 cop cars, maybe 3 there. But I could see a couple, 3 people in handcuffs over there in front of this building. Now, I don't know if it was about prostitution. I don't know if it was somebody, all of them got in a fight. But hold on. See if I can move this just a hair more. You can see the lights flashing. See, there's 3 vehicles here. I wasn't wrong. Now, I don't know if somebody was trying to break into something or something else, but up against the wall over there, underneath that canopy, there was 3 people standing. And that wasn't the police. That was somebody else. They had looked like they had handcuffed. So, just another heads up here, guys. This area, this deal over here by this pawn shop, in between that street pawn shop and where this thrift store, I think there's a thrift store there and some other stuff, not good. There's a lot of stuff. I don't know if there's a laundromat there too or not. I don't know. I mean, I don't go over there that often. I mean, I come down 23rd back and forth from, like, you know, if we're going from like Ocean's Fun, World's Fun, something like that. But I don't know. That's weird. Very weird stuff. But you can see that. Anyway, just keep your eyes open, guys. And the rain is coming down here in KC. Have a good one.